Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to iPhone screen record. In the past, you had to download third-party apps in order to record what was on your iPhone screen. But now, Apple has made it easy to save YouTube videos, save a click of a game you're playing, or teach your friends and family how to do anything on their iPhone. Here's how to record everything on your iPhone screen and how to edit the video. So first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. If you don't know where this app, you can swipe down from the middle of your phone or your home screen and use the search bar to find it. Then, scroll down and select Control Center. Next, tap the green plus icon next to screen recording. This will move the screen recording option up the bottom of the list under Included Controls. You can hold and drag the three lines icon next to any of the controls to reposition them in the list. This will also reposition the icons in your control center. And then, open the control center. You can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen on an iPhone X or a newer model. If you have an older iPhone, you can open the control center swiping up from the bottom of your screen. Next, tap the screen recording icon. This is the icon of a big dot inside a circle. After you tap this icon, it will turn red, and your iPhone will start recording your screen after a 3-second countdown. If you don't see this icon in your control center, try scrolling down. Unless you manually change the order of your control center icons in the previous step, this screen recording option will be the last icon on your screen. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.